Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a macrame mandala. So here's another pattern. There was the first, then the flower, followed by the ornament, and now the sun. I used a ring and this macrame cord. I didn't label it, but I'm pretty sure that it's 3mm. I cut cords at 18 inches, but you can make them longer if you use a thicker cord or as a just in case. I used 6 cords per set, and I made 14 sets. Fold a cord in half to find its center. Place it over the ring and bring the ends through the loop created, creating a lark's head knot. Repeat this with the other cords. To make the first knot, use the 4 middle cords. Cross the end cords over the 2 middle cords. My left cord was over my right. Bring the right middle cord through the right loop and the left middle cord through the left loop. Then pull all the cords tight. Add a lark's head knot to both sides. For the left lark's head knot, bring the right cord over the cord to the right of it. Bring the now left cord over the right cord and through the loop created. Do this twice, creating a double half-hitch knot going toward the right. Repeat this with the next cord. For the right lark's head knot, bring the left cord over the cord to the left of it. Bring the now right cord over the left cord and through the loop created. Do this twice, creating a double half-hitch knot going toward the left. Repeat this with the next cord. Where the 2 cords meet, make a double half-hitch knot going toward the left. Add another lark's head knot to both sides. For the left lark's head knot, take the right cord and make double half-hitch knots going toward the right until you reach the center. For the right lark's head knot, take the left cord and make double half-hitch knots going toward the left until you reach the center. Where the 2 cords meet, make a double half-hitch knot going toward the right. Then make another set. Between 2 sets, make the same knot that you started with. My left cord was over my right cord. Next, with the 2 left cords, bring the left cord over the right and through the loop created. Then bring the left cord under the right and through the loop created. With the 2 right cords, bring the right cord over the left and through the loop created. Then bring the right cord under the left and through the loop created. With the 2 middle cords, make the same knot that you started with. This time my right cord was over my left to balance it. Repeat this with the rest of the cords. My shortest cord was about 1 3/4 of an inch. Trim the cords and comb the ends. I spray the cords with water to straighten them. Then I trim the cords again. And here's how it turned out.